Hi guys, myself Geetika. How are you all doing? And I'm doing really good, and I hope you guys are also doing good. So today's topic is about nature, that is Prakriti. So what is the definition of nature? Nature is the practice and it is the rule of our life. That is, it is simply means, it is a law and the phenomena and our elements which all combine together and form nature, including our life. So, what is nature and how it benefits us? Nature benefits us in a lot of things. It provides us with medicines, food, what not. It provides us with all our daily requirements. So, nature also have five elements. What are these five elements? So, first, the most important is our Mother Earth, right? That is Bhumi. So, our Mother Earth contributes and it is really crucial in our life. That is our Mother Earth. We take the support of our Mother Earth to live. Without Mother Earth, we don't even have a life, do we? Next is the most crucial second thing is the air. That is Vayu, ante gali. So let's suppose you just breathe in and just you try to hold yourself for 10 minutes. Can you? You cannot even survive 5 minutes without air, and it's scientifically also proven. This proves that air is a very crucial part of our life. And third one is, of course, a daily requirement water. So, okay, just experiment yourself. Do you think you can go 2 days without drinking water? No, right? Because a human cannot survive even a one single day without having water. Without water for 2 days, you'll just die without dehydration. So water is really crucial for us. So please stay hydrated and drink more water. I please recommend. Next is fire. So okay, we all know that food is a crucial part of our life. So when we don't eat food for few days, you all lose your vitamins, your proteins, your minerals, and whatever things you have in your body. You just lose them, and you become dehydrated. You become slim. All those things. Why does this happen? So without taking food, you are nothing. You just are a human. You're just present, but your whole body is dead. It is like decomposing. So where do we get this food? How do we prepare this food? This food is prepared using fire. Without fire, you cannot cook food, right? So this also proves fire is also a crucial element of our life. And next is, of course, our akasam. Most of the people love the sky. They love to admire the sky. See, also there's also few things. Whenever let's suppose you're having fight with your mom or any of your relatives, anyone. Whenever you just sit, you go to the terrace. Some people have the habit, even I do. You go to the terrace, you just sit, you just take deep breaths and leave out your hair. You just look at the sky, you just start to feel peaceful, you start to feel happy. Why? Because the sky is so peaceful and so beautiful, it instantly lifts your mood up. So the sky, see, uh, the farmers are there, right? So most of the time, farmers feel very happy when it rains. Why? Because according to agriculture, rain is the most crucial thing, because for agriculture on the crop production, the water is really a crucial thing and an essential thing. Most of the farmers feel happy when it rains, right? It's because of that. See, sky is also helping us in a lot of matter. That is, it helps us to improve your mood. It also makes the farmers and all the people happy. It also protects, the most important thing is it protects us from the ultraviolet rays, that is the UV rays of the sun. So UV rays of the sun are very harmful for our eyes and also for our health. It protects and shields us, are a protective barrier for us from the UV rays. So even I'm too shocked that the nature the has these many elements, and these are contributing in our life, these are supporting our lives, or knowingly unknowingly we're taking the support all this, because we are living only because these five elements are helping us, and without these five elements we're nothing. Humans always use the support of these five elements. These are very crucial, and I please request you guys to respect these five elements. And also, you guys need to be connected with these five elements, and if you're connected with these five elements, you're of course connected with the nature. That is, nature is also known as the universe. So what is universe? It is a god creation. That is, you're directly connected to the god. So to be connected with these five elements, you need to practice yoga, and my next video is going to be about yoga, so please stay tuned. Bye, good night, have a nice day.